Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. When I'm recording this, guys, I just wanted to shoot a couple videos today. As you know, it's your boy Nathan with theLender. We do a lot of research to keep up to date with everything and make sure that we're bringing you the best value, especially when you're doing a loan through us, but even just in educating. So I want to tell y'all that I see a lot of videos online right now from loan officers trying to get business, and I can tell you some of it drives me nuts. Some of it's wrong, some of it's crazy. You see a lot of people on TikTok going like, hey, there's a bank hustle where banks won't tell you, but there's this thing called a DSCR loan. Guys, I found myself replying to those people saying, did you just discover this? This has been around forever. It's not a bank hack. It's not a loan hack. Simply put, it's loan officers trying to find business in other ways, right? If you looked at the numbers, 40% of all loan officers did not renew their licenses this year. The business is getting tough, so people are trying to learn other things. So what that means is you're going to have a lot of loan officers trying to do DSCR loans, learning non-QM, stuff that before they never thought to learn. That's great. It's great for the business industry. It's great for loan officers. However, is it great for you as a buyer and a realtor? I don't think so. Let me tell you why. You want to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck, but also making sure that you're getting the loan done for your client. And what I mean by that is DSCR loans, not QM loans, are different than conventional. You need to know what you're doing. You need to know the ins and outs of the underwriting. You need to know all the loopholes to get this done. I'm in East Tennessee, y'all, and I can tell you there's not many loan officers here that do this. I can tell you when I worked at another company, I got yelled at for doing them because lenders didn't make that much money off them. But ultimately, now I'm seeing a lot of people claim they're DSCR experts. Guys, if you have someone that's like that or is coming across, ask the questions, right? Ask how many DSCR loans do you do a year? Do you have control of your guidelines? Are you a broker or are you a consumer direct? The reason I mention those three things is, if you're a broker, not only are you going to have usually broker fees, but you want to make sure that you have direct communication with who's setting the guidelines. If they're brokering to someone and that person is an originator or someone who's very Johnny on the spot, it's great. But I can tell you from, especially the Smokies, y'all, I see people all the time complain that they can't find a loan officer, DSCR, that gets stuff done. And within minutes, I look at what they're doing with the appraisal or what's going on. And within, minutes, I know exactly what they did wrong. And within minutes, I can tell that, hey, I could get this done. So when you're brokering stuff out, a lot of brokers, I'm not saying everyone, but a lot of them, speaking from where I came from, they just throw loans to the AE and hope they make them work. Well, AEs aren't always originators, right? They're salespeople. Nothing wrong with that. You want to make sure that you are being originated and everything's being looked at because you want to make sure you're getting your best bang for your buck, making sure you get your best return, best cash on cash returns. You also want to find a loan officer that knows how to calculate everything to tell you this is a good deal. A lot of DSCR loans fail in the end because they don't debt service unless you do 40% down. You need to have an originator who can look at this pretty much up front and tell you, is this good or is this not? So don't take advice from people on TikTok. Don't take advice from people who are saying this new hack, it's DSCR. It's not new, y'all. It's been around. That's why we do them, right? We kill at these. Find someone who really knows these in and out. And if you don't know them in and out, find a broker who has a relationship with someone like theLender, who we are originators, who can do these. Or just call us directly, right? So DSCR is an amazing product, but it's only amazing if you have the right originator and the right guidelines backing it. Otherwise, you're going to get a bad experience. And then that broker, like I was trained 2 years ago, always blame the wholesaler. It's not that way, guys. It's always the loan officer, whether or not they know the guidelines and are up to date. So guys, if you have any questions about this, please give me a call or reach out to theLender. We're here to help. If you're looking for a DSCR loan, we'll gladly help you. If you're a loan officer wanting to learn DSCR, give us a call. We'll gladly teach you. Heck, we might even, let you broker deals through us and try and help you get more business. There's a lot of business out there, y'all, but make sure you're using the right person.